Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you take a screenshot from video on iPhone. So just go to your photos and select the video that you want to take a screenshot from. Now just find the moment that you want to take a screenshot. Now to take a screenshot, click on your upper volume button and your power button together. By this, you can take a screenshot. And if your upper volume button or your power button isn't working, there is another way to take a screenshot from your mobile. So just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll here and go to accessibility. Click on touch. Scroll here and click the last option, back tap. Now you can select double tap or triple tap to take a screenshot. Now here you can see screenshot, click on it. Now again go to that video that you want to take a screenshot. Now tap twice in the back of your phone and you can take a screenshot by that, like this. So guys, that's how you can take a screenshot from video on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.